Hello Potterheads, welcome to my channel. As I told you in my last video, I will bring Harry Potter DIY gift ideas. So today I will show you some ideas, and this is especially for visiting world lovers. So the first DIY is magnetic sticker. You will need ribbon, magnetic sheets. Take a piece of paper and draw your favorite character. Like I am drawing Harry Potter and I will draw Hermione later. I have colored this with color pencil and doing some outlining with the black marker or black drawing pen. Then cut this picture and place it on the magnetic sheet with the help of glue. Next you have to cut the magnetic sheet. Remember not to place on the shiny side. Just check before you place which side stick together. Next you have to take a ribbon and cut it almost 4 cm long and place it with the help of glue. And your magnetic sticker is ready. This would be really creative and useful gift for your friend. Second DIY is wand. You will need chopstick and hot glue gun. Now start making some design on the chopstick like I am doing in a spiral way. Making some small leaves with the hot glue gun, and next I have to color it with the brown acrylic paint, and it's done. Is ready. Next DIY is coil pen. You will need a pen or pencil, a feather. I found this feather on the road in the zoo, so I took it and it's a real feather. Apply the glue at the top part of the pen and place the feather on it. Then I am making some design on it with the hot glue gun. Now it's time to color it, so I am mixing black and brown to create some color, and now paint the pen. I am painting till the rubber ends. Some white dots on the feather with the acrylic color then I am doing some design with the gold color. Next DIY is the potion. You will need an empty bottle of glass. I have the oregano's bottle, a feather and a liquid hand wash. Pour the hand wash in the bottle and cut the feather according to the bottle size and put it inside the liquid. So it's giving the feel of potion, but it's a hand wash, so you can gift in a creative way. For labeling, I am writing love potion on a piece of paper and I will stick it on the bottle. Some decoration with the twine and your love potion hand wash is ready. Next DIY is monster diary. You will need a diary, fur and felt cloth. Just place the diary on the fur and take the measurement and cut it out. Cut the edges of the fur in a zigzag way. Then apply some hot glue on the diary and place it on the fur. Take the red felt and cut it in a tongue shape and place it on the side of the diary. Monster diary is ready. Next DIY is the flying keychain. You will need clay and make a shape of key using a cutter. Actually, somehow I don't have the footage of cutting the clay, so I cannot show you while cutting. I let it dry for few hours or one day, then I'll color with gold acrylic color. I have already inserted a keychain. Now I will need a transparent sheet and draw something like a wing on it with the marker and cut it out. Join them with the help of hot glue and your flying keychain is ready. I really like this keychain. It's totally giving me the feel of wizarding world. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really like the DIYs. Do like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.